How to log in or sign in to Royal Bank of Canada online banking account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can log in to RBC Bank's online banking account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log into RBC Bank's online banking account, which is the Royal Bank of Canada, all you have to do is, online banking basically means your browser. So open your browser and go to rbcroyalbank.com, and then you will see this type of interface, where what you need to do is, if you look at the top, you'll see this yellow option that says sign in. So you want to make sure to just tap the sign in button here. Once you tap the sign in option here, you're going to be taken to this page, where obviously what you want to do is simply make sure to go ahead and enter your client card or maybe your username. And once you enter your client card or username, you can tap the next option to enter your password and so on. If you've not yet registered for online banking, you can also do so by tapping the enroll in online banking option. You can choose to recover your username or password in case you happen to forget one. But to give you a basic context of the idea, this way you'll be able to go ahead and then log into RBC Royal Bank of Canada account. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.